いらっしゃいませ。
To Precce Premium, a traditional grocery store in Tokyo, Japan. Let's start with the deli part. In this part, we will find among others 3 fridges. The first fridge is with the Japanese product in sushi, super cute fish signage to show it. As well as all the others ready-to-eat Japanese meals that you would love to take back home after a long day at work and enjoy those local delights. In Tokyo, it rains a lot. Thus, umbrellas are to sell in the on-go section. So now let's go to the fresh salad fridge. Products here are very close to Western ready-to-eat fresh salads. We will never underline enough how important it is to eat healthy. The best to decompress after a long day of work, a good liquor. Fine selection of red and white wines. This island being the one with the mid and high-end products. Let's now see what is on its side. The famous and delicious sake.
乾杯。
Gifting is very important in Asia, reason why for the bags here. After all these alcohol discussion, it is important to stay hydrated. What is very interesting in the store is that they love to use English quotes around the store, like here and here. Let's now check what we can find in the different fresh drinks coolers. There is a huge selection of drinks. For the waters, it is mainly Japanese ones, and Evian as import. Other drinks are a huge selection of juices and teas, most of them being Japanese products and very few imports. Here, you have the beers, mainly local ones. And a cooler with ready-to-drink wine, sake,
乾
乾杯。
杯。
and more. Back to the ready-to-food fridges. On great stunning Japanese ad running. Wait! Is this the guy from the ad? Anyway, let's go a closer look at what they are selling in this fridge. Prices are around 300 yens, which is around $2.15 US. You have even a baguette sandwich, which is very nice. There is something that I love is the sandwich with fruits. They are very, very unique for Japan and it's very, very delicious. We have now finished the delicatessen, ready to eat and drink part of this supermarket. This video was shot during the Sakura season, cherry tree blossoming season. As it is a key moment in Japan, they decorated the store on that theme. Let's now go to the grocery part. Gorgeous flowers on the left side, perfect gift for your loved one. Next to it we have the fruits. In Japan, fruits are of amazing quality. They are putting them in a very high-end packaging so they can sell them at a higher price. It is very interesting and a business model that is worth studying. Well, anyway, we walk by. It's still early morning and they are busy setting up the store. We say goodbye to the fruit and veggies on the left side and hello on the right side to the freezers with the ice cream and delicious frozen products. We are entering now the general grocery part of this wonderful store. It is of course full of Japanese product. And we say konnichiwa to Belgian godiva. Let's take a closer look to section that will make a good dish for dinner. Sakura decoration is also very impressive in this section. It's in fact very well done in this store. Let's focus a bit more here around what they have. The meat fridge here on the right, we continue another fridge, different kind of meat, mainly pork and beef. Then the butcher booth where the magic is made. We are in the country of the best beef in the world, the Kobe beef. Generally, food in Japan is very, very sophisticated and delicious. Let's move on and now we will see another fridge with the amazing Sakura decoration. This is a high-end store, a very premium store in fact. And as you see, typical for all the Japanese grocery store, very traditional in decoration, very sober, very clean. I will come back in another video on this. Sweet tooth. We are now going through a section that you will love. The Deli section. You will find in it those fridges some dairy products as well as desserts, amazing juices from all kind, orange, mango, pineapple, peaches, and more. It is amazing how large this selection is. Shoppers here are famous for having a sweet tooth, and they really like its sweet products. Now the frozen food part. Big selection, different kind of food, pasta, noodles. As well as here the best selection, meaning the top selling products, mostly local Japanese products. Back to the grocery section. Let's start with the Italian imports, the pasta, and the oils.
Bellissimo.
Next to it there are the other import products such as tacos, tortillas. They are carrying a nice and extensive selection of import products, which is very nice. Let's browse through the store and walk through the different alleys. Here it is, the alley of the add-ons with the condiments, oils, spices, all that you put on top. They have Tabasco. They have, of course, many different local seasonings. Their food and recipes are very specific and local, so there is not much room in market for imported products. The packs are also always very traditional and clean, not as flashy as the non-food products. Look here at the noodles packs. Very simple, clear, and efficient. The canned fish, tuna, and I repeat it, but as you can notice, everything is really about local products. Imports is very hard. They are very protective of their market. This is the soy sauce shelf. Can you spot a brand that looks like not being a Nippon one? Exactly, looks like there are none. Let's now browse through different alleys. We will only comment if there is something very specific to share. The sakura decoration is just amazing. We are now entering the home section. As the house in Tokyo are smaller than in other cities and countries, products here need to have an efficient size and packaging as there is not much space to store them. As I also mentioned earlier, packagings in non-food category are much more colorful, joyful than in the food category. The cheese, charcuterie with ham, sausages of all kind, turkey, and ready-to-cook meals. Huge selection of tofu too. Interesting end cap with some international brand on it. Coffee and tea section. Here we are in a much more international section. While on this side, the noodles and instant noodles side, It is very local. The bread spread section is also, if I may, quite surprisingly very local. This comforts my point that it is very hard to import in Japan. Unless you are in a category that has very few local players, like the canned soup and stocks. How cute the claim for the ice cream is. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you for watching.